Pydantic AI forces an agent to return structured data by registering each output type as a distinct tool, and wrapping a Pydantic model in ToolOutput lets you assign a custom name to that tool so the model can call it with a precise identifier. The output type argument on agent accepts a list of these markers alongside plain model types, giving you direct control over how the schema reaches the model without changing the underlying data shape. The code defines two base model classes, fruit and vehicle, then initializes an agent with ToolOutput entries for each, specifying return fruit and return vehicle as the tool names before running the agent on a simple query. From Pydantic import base model. From Pydantic AI import agent, ToolOutput. Class fruit base model. Name, SDR. Color, SDR. Class vehicle base model. Name, SDR. Wheels, int. Agent equals agent. OpenAI, GPT-5.2. Output type equals #1. ToolOutput fruit, name equals return fruit. ToolOutput vehicle, name equals return vehicle. Result equals agent, run sync what is a banana. Printer result, output. Fruit name equals banana, color equals yellow. ToolOutput wraps Pydantic models to register them as output tools with custom names. Here the agent gets two output types, return fruit and return vehicle, so the model picks whichever schema fits the query. The response comes back as a validated fruit instance. Without ToolOutput, you'd use a union like fruit vehicle, but that requires generic params on agent and type ignores. ToolOutput sidesteps that by accepting a list, giving you clean per tool naming without the union gymnastics. The trade-off is you lose the discriminated union convenience, but you gain explicit tool names that can help the model disambiguate when multiple schemas are in play. Let's break it down. From Pydantic import base model. From Pydantic AI import agent, ToolOutput. Imports base model for data validation, and imports agent and ToolOutput from Pydantic AI for agent construction and tool output customization. Class fruit base model. Name, SDR. Color, SDR. Defines a fruit data model inheriting from base model with two string fields, name and color. Class vehicle base model. Name, SDR. Wheels, int. Defines a vehicle data model with two typed fields, name as a string and wheels as an integer. Agent equals agent. OpenAI, GPT-5.2. Instantiates an agent with OpenAI's GPT-5, two models specified as the provider. Result equals agent, run sync what is a banana. Printer result, output. Calls the agent's synchronous run method with the prompt, what is a banana? And stores the returned run result in result, prints the wrapper of the agent's textual output. The whole pattern comes down to one move. Register output types as named tools so the model can pick the right schema. ToolOutput wraps fruit and vehicle with custom names. Those get passed into agent via output type as a list. And when you run the agent, the model chooses whichever tool fits the prompt. You could have done this with a union type instead, but that opens up generic params and type ignore headaches. The trade-off is you lose discriminated union convenience, but you get explicit tool names that help the model disambiguate when multiple schemas compete. The agent picks return fruit for what is a banana, and you get back a validated fruit instance.
Agent runs sync queries fruit, and ToolOutput answers return fruit with a yellow banana holding no wheels.